How to create an account on Marriott.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account in Marriott.com. So let's dive right in. First things first, you can open up any browser and then you need to search for Marriott. Then you need to open up this link and then you can see sign in or join option at the top right. Just tap on it and then tap on join for free. So now you need to put in your first name, last name, tap on the drop down and choose your country. Put in the zip or the postal code, your email address, and put in a unique password. Google Password Manager can suggest you a strong password. You can confirm it. And then you can tick on the terms and conditions and tap on join today and your account will be created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.